$100. In New York, it barely gets you a lunch and a subway ride, but in the Forex market, that same $100 could grow or disappear in minutes. Today, we're putting $100 to the test in two totally different worlds, real life and trading. First, let's see how far $100 goes in the Big Apple. Coffee, $6. Subway ride, $3. Cheeseburger, $14. We're down nearly $25 already. And I haven't even blinked. That's it, $100 gone in under 3 hours. Now, let's head to the charts. We're taking the same $100 into the Forex market. Strategy, basic breakout on EUR/USD. Risk, 1% per trade. Let's go. First trade, down 3. Second trade, 2. This is the reality, gains and losses. But the key, you're still in control, unlike NYC prices. After one trading day, we're at nice. So what's the lesson? $100 disappears fast in the real world, but in Forex, it's a tool to grow, to learn, or to lose. The difference, it's all in how you use it. Hit that like button if you want to see what $100 can do in crypto versus Forex, and subscribe. Your financial future is just getting started.